Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big at Halloween Horror Nights Day 2. Thursday might be a weekday, but it is the weekend up in here. We're literally next. Paparazzi! Ah! Whoa! Michael Jackson! $100 bills!
It's time to walk into the light and accept your fate with open arms. Scared? Don't worry. We'll be...
Medusa! Whoa! Y'all fools need some eye drops. Oh, that one's moving. Ah! What happened to this guy? Hey, yo, my guy, wake up! Sleeping on a job? Oh no, never mind. He's cut in half. Oh no! What are you guys up to? Just standing around. Oh no! Intestines! Oh! Don't play with gasoline! Oh, my reflection! Ah! Ah! Oh! Whoa! More blinding lights! Ah! What the heck is that? Oh, we made it, my guys. Off the bat, not scary. It's pretty cool. It looks cool, the entrance and whatnot. But with my frequent fear pass, I don't feel the need to come back to this one, that's for sure. At the slaughterhouse. What's up with hot dog at 12 o'clock? I don't know, but I'm in the mood for some beef ribs. What about you guys? They might have some in there. See you later. Ah! Oh, no! Oh, it stinks! Leave her alone! Ah! Porky! Ah! Whoa! That's a huge stew! Is that human stew? Ah! Oh! Tacos de tripa. It's a layer of skin. Ah! Ah! I smell bacon. Oh, it stinks. Looks like we're entering a haunted house of some sort. Ah!
One of the most bizarre crime massacres.
All right, exit. We made it.
Brush off the clouds and cheer up.
One of the good ones, that's for sure. Chainsaw Massacre. This one I for sure wouldn't mind doing again.
Dog is my weakness. I will take my revenge. I will destroy Dracula's mind.
Entering Eternal Bloodlines. This one's all one man. Cemetery. Whoa! Whoa! It's a coffin. Who's in there?
Last of the Van Helsing.
Who's in there?
Last of the
Ah! Whoa! Oh no! She shot a bow and arrow. Whoa! Whoa!
Mighty Alliance.
What happened to hot dog? Ah! Ah! The moon! It's a full moon!
To sever the bloodline.
It's like a story.
For the heart. To sever the bloodline.
Uh-oh. Ah! Oh! Oh no, we got some bats. Ah! More bats. Ah! Ah! Oh no, a church. Oh no, what'd you do? Yeah, put her back. No!
I brought her home, but evil always follows.
Whoa! Not again. Oh, we made it, my guys. That was definitely better than the weekend as far as scare. And I'm a fan of women. Pretty cool.
I will take
Terror tram. No, wait. We're literally next.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Uh-oh, it's Norman. There's two mazes here, Insidious and Ghostbusters. It says Ghostbusters is 15 minutes. And when we came, the first time we went to Ghostbusters, the line was way down there. And that wasn't even 15 minutes. The line is all the way over here. And they're using their little scheme of 15 minutes so they can push people to one side when it's too crowded on one end. They just changed it. I'm pretty sure it's not 30 minutes. It was 15 minutes before we walked in. 2 minutes ago. Oh, this place is popping. I didn't want to pay for water, so I came into the French Street Bistro, asked for a cup of water, got it, drank it. Let's go refill right over there. And it's super cold. You don't even need ice. If you're enjoying the fun shows by using your thumb, like, share, and subscribe, hit the like button, smash it, do what you gotta do, comment if you like. Bye.